Ian West with Monarch Color Corporation. This open house is really appealing to me for the same reason I think it is for everybody. It's all about collaborating with industry leaders, education, getting people, to improve their processes and their procedures.
I'm Josh Labossiere with First Citizens Bank Equipment Finance. An event like this is important to me because it allows us to get face-to-face with our partners and their customers, and it gives us an opportunity to help support small businesses in this market and in this community, and hopefully to build the success of those small businesses.
I think the open house is awesome. It's space here with all the equipment you can see at the trade shows, but you get one-on-one personal interaction with the owners, with the manufacturers, with the suppliers. I feel like overall, I'm glad I took the trip, glad I'm staying tonight, glad I'm coming back tomorrow. You can't beat this experience. Well, I came out because I'm looking to the future of where my business is going, and I know screen print, definitely with the automatics, is where I would like to go. I also see the industry shifting in different directions, and I see these fully electric automatic machines as like the wave, personally.